So, you're looking for the best partner in nutraceutical packaging. Package All is the one-stop shop for stock Nutri packaging and a leader in North America. With TricorBraun, you've got a powerhouse in global packaging solutions with a century of experience and an award-winning design and engineering team. Here's a great idea. Why not combine the best of both companies and give all the benefits to the customer? Well, that's exactly what we did. Together, we're the best partner for Nutri packaging in the industry, with a huge inventory of products, the latest innovations, and the largest network of suppliers and manufacturers in the country. Packaging for nutraceuticals is our bread and butter, but more like our packers and desiccants. You want Nutri packaging? Well, we've got it, and lots of it. How many options, you might ask? Thousands of options. Look at all these products. Whether you're looking to package vitamins and supplements, sports nutrition products, or OTC pharmaceuticals, we're the experts you're looking for. We've got all the packers, bottles, canisters, and closures you could dream of. Flexible packaging? You bet. Liners and scoops? Oh yeah. All those products need to be put somewhere. Let me tell you about warehousing. We've got football fields of space, 35 of them. That's over 2 million square feet of warehouse space across the country. To handle all that space and all that product, we've got the best-in-class customer service that's there to make you, the customer, completely satisfied with your order. Be ensured, we're constantly monitoring the market, making custom products that address consumer trends and meet our customers' needs. Nutraceuticals is a major trending industry, and we've got the packaging and the technology to meet the growing demand. Our goal is to provide packaging that will help your products win on the shelf, get added to cart, and be such a hit with consumers that we'll all be like, whoa. So when you're looking for the leader in all nutraceutical packaging, go to the experts, Package All and TricorBraun.